If there's not, we'll go ahead and end up taking that car back home today.
You know the full address?
No. Yo, what is up you guys? Welcome back to another vlog. So in this episode, you guys are going to see me and Federico go and pick up an S2000. Now, I've actually bought an S2000 in the past, and quite a bit of you guys wanted me to go ahead and build it on the channel. The only thing with that car was it was actually totaled. I ended up buying Supercar Suspects S2000 that had fell off the lift. It was just a little bit too much damage for me to go ahead and repair. The S2000 that I went ahead and picked up yesterday is actually in quite a bit good condition. It just has some cosmetic issues as far as that. The interior is mint condition. As far as that, I'm gonna go ahead and show you guys the videos from yesterday and picking it up, catch you guys back up, and we'll go ahead and continue with today's vlog. Yo, what is up you guys? Welcome back to another vlog. So today we're going to be picking up a project car. I've been looking at S2000s for the past couple of weeks, and I finally found one for a really good price. I went ahead and looked at it and I test drove it a couple of days ago. There was some issues as far as the rear differential. It does need rear differential mount, so there's some vibrations and knocking coming from the rear end. I ended up leaving that night. A couple days passed and he just texted me today saying that he would accept it. So Federico's on his way right now. As soon as he gets here, I'm gonna bring you guys back out and we're gonna go ahead and go look at the car one more time. But yeah, hopefully everything looks good on the car and there's no other surprises. If there's not, we'll go ahead and end up taking that car back home today.
You know the full address?
No, you dumbass. Oh. Alright guys, so me and Federico just got back to the warehouse with the S2000. So the S2000 is actually pretty fun. I was able to do some donuts really quickly, but as far as the car, it does need a little bit of love. My plan with the car is to actually rewrap the whole car. I'm thinking of doing it in red. The only thing that's making me not want to wrap it in red is just the interior. What do you think, bro?
Yellow.
He told me to wrap it yellow, like a bright yellow. Crazy. Or what color? What yellow? Like Jeff yellow? Yeah. Like Jeff yellow? That's like highlighter yellow, bro.
Jeff yellow.
Dandelion yellow? So kind of like a sunflower yellow. Right? Yeah, okay. Maybe. I think it would look dope. It's kind of like a spoon color. You know what I'm saying? But yeah, I really like the hard top. The hard top's pretty dope. He did show me the receipt for the hard top. It was like $2,500. He had the differential changed out. And yeah, but you guys can see the rear bumper. It's got like a zip tie holding it together. So, my plan is to go ahead and leave it here at the shop. I'll go ahead and come down tomorrow while Federico's doing his truck. And then from there, I'll go ahead and put it up in the air and we'll look underneath the car and see how bad it is or see how good it is and see what it needs and see what it doesn't. Don't let my phone fly out of the car, bro. Alright guys, so after doing a couple of donuts, I really like this car. It's definitely worth the money. But it does need some cosmetic love, as you guys can see. So my plan is to wrap it. Drop some comments down below of what you think I should wrap it, what color. So as far as that, Federico thinks I should wrap it in like a dandelion yellow. I kind of really want to wrap it red or white, but drop a comment down below. Let me know what you guys think. Alright guys, so now that you guys see me and Federico go and pick up the S2000 yesterday, first thing that I want to do as far as today is to remove this old wrap. The previous owner wrapped it himself and he kind of ended up like ruining the hard top. Not ruining it, but you guys can see that he ended up putting like a blade mark right here. So we'll leave it outside for a couple of hours and then from there we'll go ahead and pretty much just unwrap whatever's wrapped. So we'll go ahead and move the cars around. From there we'll go ahead and leave the S2000 out for a little bit just so we can let the vinyl warm up and then we'll go ahead and start unwrapping it. Alright guys, so we let the car sit outside for about an hour and a half or so. Now I went ahead and checked it right here. You guys can see that it's coming up like really easy. So we're just gonna go ahead and unwrap it right now. And we'll see all the damage underneath. You guys can see the patches, man. That's crazy. Nice scratch around the carbon fiber. Now I wonder if they painted over it and this was all carbon fiber. It's a little weird, but I'm gonna get this all unwrapped. Let's get these Ricer stickers off this car. Weekends are for race cars. All right, we have it all unwrapped. Jack, I actually had to lift up the rear end so that I could slide it underneath. And then even then you guys can see that I barely have any space between the tires, but should work. The only reason why I had to do that was because obviously this car is lowered. So let's go ahead and get this up in the air. So convenient. Absolutely love it. And we'll lock it in right there. Perfect. All right guys, so me and Federico just finished laying the quarter pounder. You guys can see he's still working on it. Me and him were doing this inner piece together. This was actually quite a pain in the ass to get done, but now that that is finished, we're going to go ahead and move back on with the S2000. So we'll go ahead and do a full walk around to see what we need as far as like cosmetically wise. I can already see that there's a screw holding onto the front bumper. There's a couple of dents here and there, but my paintless dent removal guy can take care of them before we wrap it. Here's a zip tie holding onto the rear bumper. Yeah, as far as the interior on this car, super well maintained for being a 2002. You guys can see there's no rips or tears. It does have the spoon roll cage. And then even the dash was like fully protected. So mint condition dash, it's just dirty. But yeah, and the car only has 125,000 miles. And then the previous owner ended up wrapping this. I have no idea why he would wrap the interior, but we'll end up getting all of this removed. All right guys, so I just removed the quick jacks because it was actually touching the rear tire. As I said in yesterday's video, the previous owner said the rear differential bushings have to be replaced, but I also noticed that the clunky noise, there's a little bit of oil from the rear diff, but he said that he ended up replacing it. So we might just end up replacing the differential, but that clunky noise, I'm pretty sure is going to be this axle. You guys can see that there's a lot of play with it. So it's not supposed to be moving like that. Yo, Federico, can you start the car again? So, and then I'll show you guys, compared to this one, there's like no play at all. There you go. Stop. So if you guys see that wobble, it's not supposed to be doing that. So now when we go to the passenger side, you guys can see it right there. Go ahead. So you guys can see that there's no play in that axle, and there's a lot of play right there. Go ahead and do it one more time. Stop. So, probably gonna end up swapping out that axle while it's up in the air. We'll probably do the bushings as well because they look like they're going to need to be replaced soon. You're good, bro. You can kill it. Yo, so what color should we wrap the Federico? White? I agree, bro. I think white would look really good. If you guys agree, smash the thumbs up button. Drop a comment down below. Let me know what you guys think. But as far as this video, I'm going to go ahead and end it right here. All right, guys, so drop some comments down below of what you guys want to see us wrap the S2000 in. As far as that, I'm actually expecting my flooring tomorrow. So we're going to go ahead and get all these cars parked outside. Tomorrow, me and Federico will be doing all of the floors and the Swiss tracks. And then tomorrow, I think we're going to be doing some painting as well. So I'll be getting rid of all of the gray, and then I'll be putting some more light fixtures up top. But as far as that, be sure to smash the thumbs up button. As I said, don't forget to drop some comments down below on what you guys want to see with the car. And I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace.